Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. Today, let's talk about two countries where having a PMP might actually be a disadvantage as far as your salary is concerned. This video comes from the PMI salary survey report, and in the past, we have done some interesting videos around the salary survey itself, like countries where women working in project management earn more than men, countries where project management professionals, people working in the area of project management, work the most, and countries where they work the least. So, I will share links to those videos as well in the description below. If you want to know how much project managers are earning in your specific country, that's also something that we have covered in the past. So I'll share the entire playlist, which will be the third link in the description below. You can go to the playlist, you can search for your country, and you can find out how much people are earning in project management in your specific country or in a country where you plan to migrate. So, all right, enough said. Let's talk about countries where having a PMP is not an advantage at all because you end up earning less than those who do not have PMP. So let me share my screen, and this is obviously the world map. So starting off, number one on the list is UAE, United Arab Emirates. And you can see that someone with the PMP certification earn about 250K, and this is in UAE local currency, right? And someone without a PMP reports earning 256K. Now, where does this data come from? This comes from the PMI salary survey report, and of course, they will go out, they will reach out to professionals working in the project management industry. They will find out who has PMP, who does not have PMP, and how many years of experience they have, what kind of industries they work in. And it's a detailed report. I would highly urge you to download your own copy and check out the stats for yourself. But the net result is, on an average, PMPs earn less than non-PMPs in UAE. Now, of course, you can always come in and say, hey, I'm a PMP and I earn much more than those who do not have PMP. That could be true. You could be an exception. This is an average case. All right, let's talk about the second country, which also comes in from the Middle East, and that is Qatar, where having a PMP is a significant disadvantage. As you can see, people with PMP earn around 250K, while people without PMP are making much more, around 324,000. And again, this is the local Qatar currency. Now, this got me thinking, and that is why I did a little more research to find out why are these two countries such an outlier? Because in every other country that you see, you will find that people with PMP earn more than people who do not have PMP. So why are these two countries different? Well, first of all, there's a very high influx of international talent seeking project management opportunities in these two countries. This results in increased competition. And when you have high competition for project management roles, obviously the salaries are going to go down, and PMP might just be a commodity. The second thing is also relevant experience and industry knowledge, which might be preferred in certain sectors. The third thing that I feel is, for both of these countries, there's a heavy government investment. Government spends the most in oil and gas and construction and infrastructure for these two Middle Eastern countries. Now, while PMP might not be as popular in oil and gas and infrastructure and construction as it is in, let's say, IT, software, but the fact is, it is also possible that these industries, infrastructure, construction, oil and gas, they may have their own industry specific certifications that these companies that are hiring for people in these industries, they prefer over PMP. In fact, have you ever heard about PMI's construction professional certification that focuses totally on construction? So it is possible that there are certifications out there other than PMP which industries like these prefer over PMP. So those are some of the reasons why it is possible that PMPs are actually earning less than those who are not PMPs but working in project management domain. All right, there are two other countries that I wanted to mention here. At number 3 is Russia, where having a PMP or not having a PMP does not make significant difference because both reported earning the same, and again this is in Russian rubles. And then China, where there's not enough data to determine how much non-PMPs earn. Although from the other numbers that emerged from China, you might guess that people without PMP might be making a bit more than people with PMP in China. So that's always a possibility, and that's not something that I can prove since there's no data around it. But I hope you found this video helpful. I hope it gave you some direction in terms of thinking, in terms of moving to these countries, in terms of getting a PMP certification for yourself. Share this video with those who might find it helpful and who might benefit from it. We are all about PMP. PMP remains the number one certification out there. It's the gold standard when it comes to project management. Definitely subscribe on this channel. You will find all videos that you need to be able to pass your PMP exam. Thousands of our community members have made use of our YouTube videos and cleared their PMP exam. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.